What's good, everybody? It's your boy Almighty the Game here, aka Deadly Yuga, back at it again with another video. And today we are reacting to Signature Sounds of Beatboxers by LOTOmusic, man. Shout out to LOTOmusic. I saw he's doing this compilation. But yeah, man. But before we get to the video, you already know what to do. And if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Comment down below for what you want me to react to next for more beatbox and anime related content, man. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Boom. There we go.
You can't roll like this, like.
Hey. Hey. I like that intro. But yeah, man, shout out to Loto for making this compilation, man. I'm gonna put his link in the description and the video, which you call the original video. Ooh, I remember this. I don't know if I reacted to this. I think I did, right? Whoa, why is mine? There we go. This side. What the hell?
Get it high.
Hey.
You can't roll like this, like.
Inertia. Oh yeah, hold on. Before I get to the inertia, do I look like inertia, guys? Because I know a couple of you guys. Every time you guys come to my channel, oh yeah, don't forget, man. We are 94% of you guys that are watching or not subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna try to get us to at least 10% of you guys that are watching, 10 to 20% of you guys that are watching or subscribe. But yeah, do I look like inertia? I don't think I do, but a couple of you guys say I do, man. I to be honest with you, I cannot see it. I cannot see it. But I don't know. Ooh. Yo, he got that bass though.
Two for the bitches. You wish you had it. Down and get you even longer. Drop down and get you. Drop down and get you. Drop down and get you. Drop down.
Hey, go. Bro, that bass right there was sick, bro. No wonder they call him the king of bass, bro. Sheesh. Oh, D-Lo. Okay, let's see what you got, D-Lo. I said D-Lo. D-Lo. Little 1 minute dubstep beatbox. Okay.
Back at you, slipping on a beat.
Yo, D-Lo is just sick, bro. D-Lo is just sick. Like, damn. Not only he got the inward bass down, he got the Liproll down. Yo, what else can he do, man? Yo, what's that, bro? I think he got a pretty good snare too. Helium, KCH snare and zipper. Look at that. I was just talking about the snare. Why is my thing freezing?
Okay.
Helium, Russian power.
Zipper.
No, just the zipper sound, no beat. Just the zipper sound.
Wait, I know I've heard remix. Remix vibration is good, but what about what is his name? Indicator. Does Indicator got a what you call? Is it vibration or like a very deep bass?
Cause I can feel it in my brain that I'm about to go insane. Yeah, I can feel it in my brain that I'm about to
go.
About to go. Yeah.
Hold on, before we even get to anywhere, this is how we gonna start. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The thing that makes a video and like anything that you do, anything that you perform, is your presence, number one. It's called the production, number two, and then you obviously performing the song. And right now, bro, the production with this editing is freaking sick so far. I just like the way it already started off.
Let's fill in.
Freaking Yahoo, man. I should say Yahoo Sport.
This type of man gonna make you move. Pop your head like you feeling the groove. Flowing, I was all I got. Cause my beats are smooth and extra hot.
Okay, you're taking it level by level. Azo liquid bass vortex whistle.
Jump with the vortex. Switch.
Ooh.
Slowing down with the liquid. Okay.
Sick. LSC, what you call it? Best inward, what you call it? Inward Liproll.
I want to paint it black.
Sheesh. Yo, shout out to Lip. What you call? I said Lip. Shout out to Lotto. What you call LOTOmusic for making this amazing compilation, man. This was an amazing video to react to. This was fire, man. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, man. Like and subscribe. Comment down below and hit that subscribe button. What else? What else? Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching. Looking for the button. We are